Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today's my watch day routine. I'm going to be starting up by doing a prepoo. So the prepoo, I'm using onions, garlic and coffee for my prepoo. Okay, so this is the coffee I'll be using for today's recipe. So I'm going to be cutting my garlic and I'm also going to be putting the benefits of the garlic on the screen. Please do want to check it out for the amazing benefit that garlic has for our hair growth. Okay, so the next thing I'll be cutting now is the onions. I'll be cutting it in little pieces because I want it to be very soggy when it's cooking. Okay, I'll also be dropping the benefit of onions on the screen. Onions has sulfur, okay, that helps to stimulate your hair growth. All right, so I'm going to be putting everything in a pot and I'll be adding in my coffee. All right, I'm using this 1 tablespoon. I'm using 1 tablespoon of coffee for today's recipe. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. I really do appreciate. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. For my water measurement, I'm using 1/2. That is half cup of water. I added more because the half cup of water was not giving me what I need, so I added more water to it. So in total I use 1 cup of water for this recipe. So I allow this to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, when you notice that it's the tea is ready is when the onions is very soggy, you know it's ready, and off it and allow it to cool before I strain. So right now I'm straining it. I know everything is ready. Straining it, then I'll apply this on my hair. This is my prepoo treatment. So we have reached 1 month in carrying this mini braid. On the 12th of April made it 1 month on carrying this mini braid, and you guys can see there's a lot of amazing growth on my hair. So I am going to be applying the prepoo on my scalp, mostly on my scalp. So this is 1 month hair growth. Okay loves, my hair is really improving. So I'm going to be spraying this all over my scalp, and as I spray I massage, as I spray I massage, as I said, mostly on my scalp. Okay, because of the sulfur of the onions, it's really amazing for scalp treatment and also growing out your hair. Done applying it, then I will twist my hair in 2 sections before I wear my wig, my polythene bag, like to cover it, and allow this to sit for 1 hour on my hair. Yes, allow this to sit for 1 hour on my hair before I rinse it out. So loves, after 1 hour is up, this is what my hair looks like. I am going to be rinsing everything out. I use my black soap shampoo, okay, to wash this out of my hair. done washing my hair. This is what my hair looks like. I love the feeling of doing wash day routine. Okay, mini braids makes your wash day super simple, super easy. You don't do a lot of detangling. All right, so this is me goofing around, and I want to apply my deep condition. A video of me doing the deep condition on my daughter's hair. This was the day I also did it on my hair. I was just playing around. Okay, this is a moisturizing deep condition. It's going to help you to moisturize your hair, and the main ingredient is avocado. I'll be linking the video in my description box, or you can check any of the video out where you see my daughter. That is the ingredient, that is the video of the deep condition. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm rumbling enough a lot, so I'm just goofing around here, singing and playing. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and this was super moisturizing. My hair felt so moisturized after I used this. So everything is on my hair. After that, I went in with my hand to massage everything in. Make sure you massage your scalp. Okay, massage is important. Massaging your scalp is important. Okay, so after I have done massaging, I'm going to allow this to sit for another 1 hour on my hair. Yeah, loves, I love doing all these DIYs that sit longer time, because when you sit longer time on your hair, you know your hair is benefiting a lot from it. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like, and I'm going to allow this to sit for 1 hour. One hour is over, and oh my goodness guys, my hair was so moisturized. Like, the softness on my hair was in another level. Can you see that? Like, can you see the coils at the tips of my hair? Yeah, so I'm going to rinse this out with cold water, and I did not use any conditioner again after this. All right, because my hair is already moisturized. Don't end up applying another deep condition on my hair. So loves, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. After this, I went in with my teas and my oils, my butter, and my leave-in condition. So this is the next day after the wash day routine, and it's time to put in my teas and my oil and to get my hair ready for another 2 days before I fall in with the same routine again. So one thing I noticed about that deep condition is that after the next day, your hair is still moisturized. Okay, my hair still felt super soft. I love the feeling of this moisturizing deep condition. You need to give it a try, and your hair will love it. So as I said, I used this on my daughter's hair previously, and her hair was super moisturized in the next day as well. So I decided to use it on my hair, and it gave me the same result as it gave my daughter's hair. So here I'm going to be using a Moringa tea spray, okay, hair growth spray. A full video of me creating this is going to be coming up in the channel. Please subscribe to see the recipe. All right, love. So this one, I'm going to be doing this healthy for a week or two depending on how I feel. All right, so the next step I'm doing is to use my okra. Yes, I'm still using my okra on my hair, and it's really amazing. So after using the okra, I put in my oils and my butters, my Chambia 2000. This, if you have not tried this, try it. It's a game changer for hair. All right, so I'm going to apply everything on my hair, massage my scalp, and plait my hair for another days, like 2 days before I reapply. Yeah, I reapply every 2 days or every 3 days depending on my schedule and depending on my hair. Okay, some days my hair can stay moisturized for more than 2 days. Some days my hair can dry out because of the weather. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This was my wash day routine on the 12th of April, and I really love the way my hair is turning out. A lot of growth just in 1 month. Just imagine when we get to the 2 months, how many growths we are going to get. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy any other recipe I have been doing in the channel. Do well to check it out. Your hair is going to grow. Yes guys, like before I was struggling with hair growth, okay, and my hair was stagnant in a particular length, but right now I see a lot of result doing these mini braids and taking care of my hair, being more intentional on my hair, and knowing what my hair loves and what my hair does not love. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope my video motivates you to try the mini braid challenge and to do any of the recipes. So loves, I will see you on my basis in my next video. This is how my hair turned out after everything. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping this like this for another 2 or 3 days before I reapply. So loves, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.